7 AI side hustles making $100 daily in 2025. I have been researching AI side hustle like a detective investigating a crime scene where the victims are common sense. And what I found, most gurus are selling dreams while driving car they definitely didn't pay for. But here the beautiful part. You can make $100 per day daily. With AI side hustle, they are actually legit. Let's go! Are verified income streams backed by comprehensive market research and real earning data from working freelancer in 2025. First, AI hustle. That is AI content writing service. Here, your potential up to $400 per day. Freelancer writing using AI tool are commanding $25 to $100 per hour. With intermediate writing charges $50 to $200 per 1,000-word article. And this secret vision AI as your productive multiplier, not a replacement for your expertise. Verified earning breakdown. Reward rate $10 to $10 based on expertise. Project-based pricing $50 to $1,500 per article. 40% of freelancers prefer project-based deals. Here, some essential tools for you. ChatGPT $20 per month. Just pay $39 to $99 per month, and Grammarly, that is $12 per month. Here, the quick start strategy. Create profile on Upwork, and Contently. Focus on high-paying niche like a SaaS, healthcare, or finance. Use AI for research and draft, and human insight for strategy. Here, the second now. AI Chatbot Development. Daily earning potential up to $500 per day. Here's some market research that AI chatbot market is exporting to a $27 billion by 2030. Even single chatbot commanded $100,000 to $500, while custom AI-powered solution fetch $10,000 to $30,000 plus. Here, your entry strategy. Start simple, target local business needed customer service automation or FAQ bot for $500 to $100 to build portfolios. Build expertise on AI tools and scale revenue. Here, some verified earning. Simple bot that is $100 to $500. AI powered bot that is $10,000 to $30,000 plus, and freelancer rate is $30 to $100 per hour. Required to like a custom ChatGPT.ai, Footprint, and many chat. It is some affiliate program, free tier, and some per month. Go to third one. AI print on demand art. Daily earning potential of $300. The print on demand market surge at 26% annually towards $102.9 billion by 2034. Successful Etsy seller report profit margin of 27 to 49%, significantly higher than typical e-commerce. Real case study. One Etsy seller generated $487 in revenue with 216 in March 2023, achieving a 9.1 conversion rate. Another successful sold AI art at local pop-up store, avoid online competition entirely. Here, first creative unique design, set up your store and market scale. Fourth one, AI voice over service. Daily earning potential up to $600 per day. Professional voiceover rate commands $50 to $200 per finished minute. AI voice tool like 11 Labs and Muff.ai enable lightning fast turnaround time, allowing you to handle higher volume work and serve multiple clients simultaneously. YouTube creator, course creator, podcaster, they all use for that. Verified earning per minute rate up to $50 to $200. Project based $100 to $1,000 and hourly $47.74 nationwide. Essential tool like 11 Lab, Murphy.ai. Fifth one, AI SEO content and social media management. AI SEO content creation that potential of $350 per day. SEO content command premium rate due to strategic value. Writer combine AI efficiency with SEO expertise on $350 per day optimized article with monthly retainers of $500 up to. A tool like Suffer SEO, Rank Well and Pro Strategy for that. We will see next. AI social media management. Daily potential up to $400 per day. Social media manager charges $2,000 per client monthly up to. AI tools enable managing multiple clients by automating content creation and schedule. Tool like Buffer, ChatGPT, etc. Pro strategies focus on businesses needing blog content that rank. Combine AI content generation with manually SEO optimization. Target local businesses and startups for social media. Offer trial month and reducing rate to demonstrate ROI through increasing engagement. Next is AI course creation and sales. It's very popular in this today's era. That is potential of $1,000 per day. The creator economy is skyrocketing towards $1.54 trillion by 2030. Successful course creators are earning $10,000 per month up to in passive income from AI generated educational content. This is ultimate scalable side hustle. The opportunity that is creator course teaching AI tools, digital marketing or your professional expertise. Use AI to generate course outlines, lesson scripts and marketing copy, then sell while you sleep. Course pricing like up to $500 per course and monthly passive income that is $10,000 per day up to. Top creators earning like up to more than top creators earning $1 lakh per dollar per monthly. Like choose your niche, build your courses, launch and market and optimize and scale. This is a roadmap for this opportunity, AI course creation and sales. Next, here the opportunity landscape. There are 47.71 what AI influencer earn per hour nationwide in 2025. You can read all this creator economy or annual growth rate of print on demand, which is very good if you are entering this niche. Now you have weekly action plan. Is your choice to adapt this plan or make for yourself which is comfortable to you. This plan is not for all who choose this opportunity. Week 1, choose and focus. Week 2, that is tool and samples like master on basic. Week 3, build presence. And week 4, launch and learn, because learning is never ending. Here are some critical successful factors that you can build and you can earn better than outside world. First is solve real problems, because problem solving must be necessary if you make something big. If you want to make something big, you really solve real problems. Then combine AI plus human insight. It's necessary to not replace human insight, because if you replace human insight, they become the monotonous for everyone. So that combine AI plus human insights. Build recurring revenue. You don't stuck on one thing. Keep recurring courses. Add new courses in weekly or monthly, because recurring revenue is must Don't stuck on one project only. And keep in mind, stay ethically compliant. Always disclose AI used when required by clients, because respect copyright and trademark laws. Maintain quality standard regardless of AI assistant. Follow all platform terms and services. Remember, these aren't get rich quick schemes. They are legitimate business opportunities that require dedication, continuous learning, and adaptation to new AI development. Start today, stay consistent, and you could be earning $100 per day within a week. But keep in mind, these aren't get rich quick scheme. If you stay consistent, stay focused, and increase your skill, you become that one.